Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. And today we have very good hiring. There is a virtual job fair, and also we have hiring from Amazon for the data associate role. So both we are going to discuss in this video. Before that, friends, I request all of you to please do subscribe to this channel. The reason is, friends, see, the genuine updates, whichever I feel it is good for you, or any kind of experience, anything, I mean, it will be definitely useful for you. Or if any preparation videos, right, any hiring videos, all those things we are doing it here now. So friends, please do subscribe, and once you get a job you can unsubscribe, no issues. So here, top tech hiring for fresher and college student, right? So opening across 25 plus roles, stipend up to 25,000 per month, and salary up to 12 lakhs per annum. Friends, see, I know many of you are waiting for good hiring from like TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, Cognizant, but this kind of hiring, see, if 10 companies, 10 hiring will only come in a year, right? So every day and every month you cannot have all these hirings. So there is nothing to lose. You go ahead, apply for it, and at least you will learn that you are not good at something, okay, and then you can improve. So these are the chances, these are the opportunity, okay, where you will identify your mistake and you can work on it. So Unstop tech job fair. So you see data engineer internship, website design and development, MERN stack developer internship, junior iOS developer, WordPress developer, Flutter developer, front-end developer internship, Python development internship, okay, then web developer internship, front-end, Flutter, okay, some testing is there, software intern is there, Python developer internship is there. So there are a lot of things are there. You just go ahead and apply for it, okay? So log in and then apply, and few of them has been already expired, right? So like manual test engineer, it is expired till yesterday, it was there. So a data analytics internship, whichever you feel it suits you, go ahead and apply for it. So if you want to apply, first you will have to log in, right? So if you click over here, then you could see you will be redirected to that particular internship or whatever full-time opportunity, and from there you just go ahead and apply for it. And definitely the for different job opportunities, even the eligibility criteria will be different, so that you can engineering students, freshers, undergraduate. So 2025, 2024, 2023, these batches will be eligible. So please go ahead and apply for it, okay? So if you come down here, let's see if they have mentioned FAQs here. Okay, I think it's loading, so please wait. Okay, so referral rewards, important dates and application window till 30th November, okay, and everything you need to know. So there is no such hiring years, so you please apply. That is what you can do the best thing. Okay, now friends, Amazon is hiring for data associate, okay, Amazon Dev Center India, Hyderabad. Perform data collection task related to Amazon device applications or services, labeling and tagging data like text, images, okay, identifying and classifying object, features or pattern in data set. So anyway, bachelor's degree is required. You can, if you are able to speak, write and read fluently in English, demonstrated ability to be successful in highly fluid, paced and ambiguous environment, okay, flexible to work across all the shift, work from office 5 days a week, knowledge of Microsoft Office products and application, work from office 5 days a week. So friend, this is a good opportunity, and looks like this is a full-time opportunity, it's not contract based, okay? So because many of the opportunity from Amazon will be contract based, so this is in administrative support, okay? So click here on apply now, go ahead and apply for the data associate. Friends, see, instead of sitting idle at home, your duty will be, right, instead of sitting idle at home, your duty will be to apply for the jobs. If you get a job, go work there, keep trying for other companies, but don't sit idle, right? So even if you'll keep a iron, right, so iron rod, in an idle state, it will get rust, okay? So you have to keep working hard, then only that success will come, because God also sees, okay, this guy is trying so much hard, he deserves, right? See, many times you have, listen, no, he really deserved this. How people says, because he was putting a lot of effort, and if you put effort, you deserve it. Okay, simple. So log in using your Amazon Jobs accounts. Okay, so thank you, take care, and all the very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.